Are you thinking about buying Readymode? Before you take the plunge, here are 7 essential things you need to know to make sure it's the right choice for your business. If you're looking to maximize your digital marketing potential, Readymode could be exactly what you need. But let's break it down and see how it stacks up against competitors. First off, Readymode offers a unique advantage in customer segmentation. Unlike some other platforms, Readymode allows you to create highly specific segments and personalize your outreach. This isn't just about sending mass emails. You can tailor your messaging based on detailed customer behaviors and preferences, giving you a significant edge in targeting and conversion. Now, that's not something all competitors can match, as many can be more rigid when it comes to segmentation. Next thing, Readymode's automation capabilities are a standout feature. If you've used similar tools, you know how time-consuming manual tasks can be. With Readymode, you get robust automation workflows that help you save time and increase efficiency. Whether it's sending follow-up emails, triggering messages based on specific actions, or automating campaign sequences, Readymode lets you set everything up and let it run on autopilot. This is a huge time saver when compared to other platforms that don't offer as many automation options or require constant oversight. The third thing you need to know is that Readymode's analytics tools are highly detailed, offering insights you won't find in most competitor platforms. It tracks key metrics in real time, giving you a crystal clear picture of campaign performance, customer engagement, and ROI. The best part? These insights aren't buried in a sea of data. The platform provides a clean, intuitive interface to help you quickly identify what's working and what needs tweaking. When compared to competitors, Readymode's analytics tools are far more user-friendly and insightful. Now, let's talk integrations. Readymode seamlessly integrates with a wide variety of other software tools, from CRM platforms to email marketing systems, allowing you to create a unified digital ecosystem. This flexibility means you're not forced to switch platforms or sacrifice your existing systems. While competitors often limit integration options or require pricey add-ons, Readymode has built-in support for most major platforms, making it easier to keep all your tools connected. The fifth thing you need to consider is pricing. While Readymode offers a comprehensive set of features, it's more affordable than many of its competitors, especially considering the level of customization it provides. So if you're working with a smaller budget or just starting out, this could be a great option for getting premium features without breaking the bank. Next thing, Readymode's customer support is top-notch. They offer 24/7 assistance through live chat, email, and even phone support. If you've ever struggled with poor customer service, you'll appreciate how responsive and knowledgeable the Readymode team is. Compared to some platforms that make you jump through hoops to get help, Readymode support is always ready to jump in and solve issues quickly. Lastly, Readymode's ease of use really sets it apart. If you're new to the software, you'll be glad to know that Readymode's interface is intuitive and beginner-friendly. You won't have to spend hours learning the ropes. Competitors often come with steep learning curves, but Readymode ensures that you can hit the ground running. Its user-friendly design ensures that even those with minimal tech experience can make the most out of the platform. If you're ready to give Readymode a try, you can do so completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. This is your chance to experience all the benefits without any upfront commitment and see how Readymode can work for your business. So, if you're looking for a marketing platform that delivers powerful automation, in-depth analytics, seamless integrations, and exceptional customer support, Readymode may just be what you've been searching for. Click the link below to start your free trial and unlock exclusive benefits today.